A Vesta Chore Time Special. How to clean your sister's head. It's very important that your sister's head be clean. First, you place a paw on the sister. This is to keep her from wiggling. It will not keep her from wiggling. Then you sink your teeth into the neck. You may be rabbit kicked, but this is fine. This is part of the process. As long as your sister does not squawk in outrage, all is going well. Putting your sister in a headlock is a good way to make sure that the process continues. Ear is delicious. Put it in your mouth as soon and as often as possible. These are Vesta's tips for how to ensure that your sister has a clean head.